And for our final speaker for today, I'd like to invite Ms. Mastura Mohammad Gaush from EasyParcel to share on an essential digitalization journey for SMEs. Mastura used to be e-commerce marketing and sales at a technology tools company where she deepened her techniques on online sales from various platforms. She's currently leading the role of internet marketer where she researched and led the field of marketing.
Hi everyone, my name is Mas. I'm an internet marketer in EasyParcel, and today I would like to share with you how to automate your delivery process and also increase your repeat purchases. Okay, first of all, I would like to wish Selamat Hari Raya to all the Muslim. And as we know, for this year, we are celebrating in MCO. Yeah, in MCO. So please, I think we are still fight with MCO, and yeah, please practice SOP, okay? Alright. So I would like to share to you for online seller, this is the major e-commerce shopping event in Malaysia. This is very important for you to plan your promotion and also set your target for next promotion. Okay, as we know, Ramadan and Raya is already passed, and we are focusing on Merdeka Days and 9/9. Okay, so you may screenshot or maybe save later this e-commerce shopping event in Malaysia. Okay, all right. I would like to ask you, which one you think will generate more sales? New customer or existing customer? I know some of you will answer new customer and some of you will answer existing customer, right? But the answer is existing customer can generate more sale actually. With a success rate of selling to existing customer is up to 70% compared to new customer is only 20% of success rate of selling. Can you imagine, like if you're having a lot of existing customer compared to the new customer and you keep them, so it will generate more sales to you actually. Okay? So it's very important to let your existing customer to have a good purchase experience with you. But before that, before we are focused on customer experience, we need to make sure you have a good delivery process, meaning you don't have to feel burdened with your delivery process. As you know, delivery process can take your time, can take your energy. So let me show you, or let me show you how to make your delivery process is at ease. Okay? Of course, first of all, you need to automate your delivery process. Okay? I would like to ask you, okay, because I said about automatic, right? I mean like how to automate your delivery process. So I would like to ask you, are you still or currently facing a high postage rate for delivery? Are you facing where, do you have problem where when customer want to purchase and customer ask you about postage rate, and then they cancel buying from you just because your postage rate is like 9 ringgit, 10 ringgit, and you need to cover your service some more. So actually in Easy Parcel, we can make your delivery at ease. Why? Because in Easy Parcel, you can quote and book multiple of courier service in one platform. How? Okay, this is how EasyParcel work actually. Okay, first you will quote and book online in our platform easyparcel.com, and then and in EasyParcel, of course, as I say multiple, I mean by Post Laju, Skynet, JMT, Pigeon, ABX, CJ Century, and many more. Okay, then once you book, you need to pay and print your airway bill. Once you print your area bill, you can choose either to drop off at any drop off branch nearby. Like for example, if you choose JNT, right, and then you can drop off at any JNT nearby. Okay, and then or you can choose pick up for free. Yes, in EasyParcel we have pick up for free. Okay, and then lastly, courier will deliver your parcel door to door. Okay, so here is 5 ways to book in EasyParcel. Yeah, we have 5 ways, so you can choose either one that you are comfortable to do. Okay, first we have single parcel, bulk parcel, quick send integration, and also API. But for online seller, I will focus more on quick send later. Okay, why? You need to stay tuned. Okay, first, this is a single parcel. This is where we say you can quote and book. Okay, in easy parcel, if you are new user, we encourage you to use single parcel. Or even if you just want to know the rate and everything, you can in easy parcel you can choose to either you sign in or log in to check the rate, or actually once you go to easy parcel you can directly quote without sign in or log in. How is by fill in your postcode, your receiver postcode, from and to, and also fill in your weight, your parcel weight estimated also can, like for example you put 1 kg. Okay, and then you click on quote and book. Once you click for quote and book, this is what we say by multiple of courier service. Okay, this is the example. Okay, we have Aramex, Pigeon, and also as you can see there is two rate in EasyParcel, which is the normal rate where you are not signed up. So we will show you the normal rate and also the sign up rate and also top up rate actually based on top up. Okay. So you can see there's two rate, and meaning that once you use EasyParcel, you can know the postage without waiting for the counter to tell you or give you receipt to pay. You can estimate and also budget your postage actually. And in EasyParcel also, for normal package, actually we our postage is flat rate until 1 kg for normal package. And for JNT and post laju can up to 5 kg for flat rate, meaning that if example, right, post laju RM6.45, if your parcel is 4 kg, it's still RM6.45. Yeah, that is meant by flat rate. And for JNT up to 3 kg, but for pigeon, you can get as low as RM5 up to 5 kg. Yeah. Without minimum parcel, yeah, and also free pickup. So that's what I mean by delivery at ease. Okay. So once you choose your courier and fill in your postcode, then make a payment and print your LB. Courier will come or you can drop off. Okay. This is the single parcel. Okay. Then for next we have bulk parcel. Okay. Bulk parcel is for customer who having a bulk, meaning if you have more than 10 or maybe you have 20 and you don't feel like single parcel make you feel easy to book, then you can use bulk template. Okay, first you need to download. As you can see, there is a download button. Okay, and then you fill in all the details needed. All the rate is important. The black one is optional. Okay, and then once you fill in, this one can up to 300 orders in one template. Okay, then you can see here there is an import order. So you just import and then make a payment and print the area bill. That's all. Okay, for bulk parcel. Okay, next, this is what I want to tell you about. Okay, here I know some of I think lah. It's not I think. Actually, for us to sell in social media is a must for online seller, right? And some of us maybe have 2 to 3 accounts, meaning at Facebook one, at TikTok, and then at Instagram. Okay. Normally for online seller, I know they will directly give a link, a WhatsApp link to customer, right? You will give the WhatsApp link and then customer to WhatsApp you and then tell which one they want and then so on and so on. But then after that, once once you close sale and then you ask for customer detail, you need to fill in again. Maybe using bar template or maybe using a single parcel, right? You need to fill in again the customer details. So with quick send, the difference is customer fill in their own details. Yeah, you heard it right. Customer fill in their own details. Meaning that, okay, this is how to set up. Okay, this is the example of quicksand form. Meaning that once you set up in EasyParcel, you fill in, you upload your logo, you upload your text want to show to your customer. EasyParcel will generate a link, a quicksand form link for you. Okay, so this is the quicksand form where once your customer already like pay, you just give the link to customer saying that okay, now you just fill in your details here instead of you copy paste the template, right? Okay, you say to customer you fill in the details here. Once customer fill in, what will happen in EasyParcel is we will directly, all the detail is directly import to EasyParcel. So this is the example that detail that already import. This is what customer fill in, and this and you can see, you can edit first. If let's say customer maybe wrong fill in and inform you, then you can edit first. And then once you edit, you confirm, just make payment like that. You meaning you skip the step. You don't have to do double in EasyParcel. Okay. Okay. Next, we have another one, which is, this is the example once you make payment, okay? Next, we have another one, quick sign with payment gateway. This is very interesting, but then we will take a break first, and I will cover back the topic later, okay?
Having an online business is great, but it could be a real pain when it comes to delivery. That's where EasyParcel comes in, an easy online booking platform where you can search, compare, and book your ideal courier service at the best rates, anywhere, anytime. Meet Angie, a part-time student who sells clothing online. Her sales are great, and customers love her designs. Everything seems dandy. But when it comes to delivery, it's chaos. She really wants to reduce the costs and time spent looking for cheap delivery fees, handwriting hundreds of airway bills, and getting stuck in traffic jams just to ship out her parcels. It's daunting and a waste of time. But one day, she found EasyParcel and everything changed. She went onto the website, fills in her parcel details, and the magic happens. She can choose from a list of available couriers and even decide when they could come by to pick it up. Dislike waiting? She can drop off her parcel at the points nearby. After completing delivery details, she makes a payment. Ta-da! Now she can download and print out the airway bill, attach it to the parcel, and wait for her couriers to pick it up. With all the tools and solutions at her disposal, Angie can finally grow her business without worrying about delivery. All thanks to EasyParcel. Sign up now and kickstart your delivery today.
Okay, thank you for staying tuned. And I know quicksand can grab your attention. No, not just kidding. Okay, so we continue with quicksand with payment gateway. What is the difference is, okay, for normal quicksand, the one that I just showed you just now, is the one that customer can fill in their details, okay, and submit. But payment are still separate from quicksand form. Okay, but for quicksand with payment gateway, customer can directly pay in quicksand form. Okay, this is the example. Once customer proceed payment, meaning this one you need to set lah, and then they can directly pay in your quicksand form. Okay, and this is the example. You see this where I say this is where I say that once customer fill in, all the order will enter will directly import to EasyParcel, and some of the detail you can edit. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so what is the difference between quicksand with payment gateway and quicksand without payment gateway? Okay, for quicksand with payment gateway, you can add a few features. You can add more. What I mean by you can add more is, okay, this is the tutorial for setup quicksand. Okay, in quicksand with payment gateway, you can put product price, you can put product picture, you can put weight, and you can put product description as well. You can also choose to make a flat rate for courier, or like for example, if customer buy two items, the weight is already double. The rate is already double. You can do like that in quicksand with payment gateway. And for quicksand with payment gateway, because you put the product image and details, right? So if you have 5 product, you need to do 5 quicksand, because every quicksand have different product description, like just now you see. Okay, all right, so it's very 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 recommended. You can choose either to use normal quicksand without payment gateway, or you can choose, if you want with payment gateway, then you can choose quicksand with payment gateway. And of course, this is all for free. Awesome, right? Yeah, so that's why we want to make your delivery at ease. Okay? Okay, this is the example of ABB branding once you print out. Okay? Okay. Last but not least, do you have website? Of course, some of online seller is already established a website, right? So don't worry, because in EasyParcel, we have multiple of integration panel, like Yeza, Biz App, and then Shopify, Semut, and many more. You can choose from it. Once you integrate in EasyParcel, all your order from your website can directly import to EasyParcel. Okay? In one click, of course. And if let's say you're asking, what if my website panel is not there? So what can I do? Okay, actually, you can request API key from us. Okay, because normally this one is for online seller that have own developer. Okay, so you can request us API key for integrate with EasyParcel. Okay, all right. And for EasyParcel, we are not just provide you available in A4 format, because now it's already online seller is already start to buy thermal printer. So we prepared for you 2 format, which is A4 available and also sticker available. Okay, but for standard one, we provide you A4. For you to have a sticker available, you need to change the format. Okay. Okay. I know some of you might not have access to printer. So actually we receive a lot of questions. Can I use EasyParcel if I don't have printer? The answer is yes. Okay. In EasyParcel, we have pigeon paperless, where with pigeon paperless, you don't have to print every bill. What you need to do is you quote and book and choose pigeon paperless, and then in pigeon paperless itself, once you book and then pay as normal, EasyParcel will give you a AOV brand. No, sorry, EasyParcel will give you tracking, okay, tracking number. So what you need to do is, instead of you print, this is just for pigeon paperless, yeah. Okay, once you print, once you make payment and get the tracking number, you just need to write on top of your parcel and also write your telephone number, meaning sender telephone number. You can directly write with a permanent marker on your parcel, or you can write on the paper and slot in into your flyer's pocket. Okay? So make sure first you have to make sure your area is covered by pigeon paperless, by code and book, like just now I showed to you guys. Okay, and how's the process is? This is not how your customer will receive lah. Okay, once pigeon come and pick up, what they do is they bring to hub and print out a bill for you. Okay, so once they print and then they will only they will send to your customer. Okay, all right. So here's the tip for you to increase repeat purchases. Do you know that there's a rule of 7 in marketing where average customer need at least 7 times of interaction with your brand before they purchase. What this means is you always need to remind your customer that you are there. How? Of course, first of all, is social media. Now, every online seller will push social media like posting. Maybe there is a time where 3 times a day, and then do a live video and then interact with your customer, just to let your customer know that you are there. Make a video. And in EasyParcel also, we can help you with marketing tools. How? Okay. First, we have tracking SMS. Okay, with this tracking SMS, actually you can subscribe, and then every time you have you done booking, meaning you complete your booking, EasyParcel will directly send to all your customer SMS with their own tracking number. So customer can refer from the SMS. So you already skip where you don't have to update one by one your customer. Your customer just need to check the SMS. Okay? But some of you might ask, can I custom it to my own way? I mean, to my own brand? The answer is yes. Okay? You can also, like this is the example. You can see there is two language. Okay. With custom tracking SMS, you can give tracking number to customer and also slot in a short promotion for your product. It's a good way because when customer already buy from you, meaning they trust you. So when you put, like, for example, promotion rate or maybe 10% discount after next purchase, so customer will remember you and might be think if your product is good, of course they will repeat order again. That's how you attract your customer with SMS tracking. Okay, custom SMS tracking. Okay, next we also have area view branding. Okay, how many of you? Yeah. Okay, how many of you not read your area view once you receive a parcel? I don't think, I mean, like 90%, I'm sure people will read their airway bill once they receive their parcel, right? And this is how you can grab the opportunity by put your promotion banner on your airway bills. You can put as a maybe upcoming promotion, or maybe discount code or drop ship or anything that can grab your customer to come and repeat purchase from you. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, the third, this is the example of FAB branding with, or this is the example of FAB branding with promotion banner. As you can see, this is for the F4 format. Okay, all right. You can also use thank you card, email, or SMS to appreciate your customer. Okay, normally now I can see that 90% of online seller have thank you card. Meaning every time you purchase, you will receive a thank you card. And for this thank you card, don't forget to ask your customer to tag you in social media. And maybe if you want to encourage your brand awareness, you can say if you tag us and then find us back after you tag, you can get like 5% discount. So it give reward to customer as well. And another one is, as you can see, the example is email. Thank you email. I can see once you thank your customer, right? Actually, the percentage of customer to remember you is high. This is the example that I bought a book online, and then suddenly I received a thank you email, and I feel it's very good lah because it's very less people do actually thank you email. So you see with that people can remember you more. Okay, so this is the second last. We have tracking email and custom tracking email. This one is good if you have a website. If you don't have, also you can use it, of course. Okay, tracking email is like this. So this is the thing, as you can see, that is the example of thank you email. This is the example of tracking email. So meaning is you can choose either to um, subscribe, SMS tracking, or email tracking in EasyParcel. But okay, actually in EasyParcel you can get it for free with package EP 1000 and above. You can get unlimited SMS, tracking SMS to your customer and also tracking email actually. Okay, so you can use tracking email to your customer, and of course if you ask can you custom, this is the example of custom tracking email. You can put your logo, custom the color, and then also put the promotion banner on below of the email. So when customer check the tracking, they can know your promotion as well. And also it will increase your brand, increase trust to your brand because they see, oh, your branding is so strong. Even in email, also they can see the logo and everything. So it's trustable. Like that, okay. Last but not least, these features. Okay, the last one. These features, I always encourage online seller to use it because the open rate is very high. As you know, like we always receive SMS from MKN, right? For reminders of SOP, and then SMS has already become very important to us. So, last but not least, a very good features is SMS campaign. Okay, as you can see, this is the example of a very big brand in Malaysia, like Bata, Unify. They not only use email, but they also use SMS to reach their customer. So if you have a very big promotion, or maybe if you want to test, you can use SMS campaign. And in EasyParcel, it's very easy because for SMS campaign, right, you can choose the detail based on the existed, it's not existed, based on the customer detail that you have filled in before. Yeah, so you can see there's a butter club in the seju. So these features, I really recommend for you to do to inform customer that you have promotion and everything. It's very good, and the open rate is very high for SMS. Okay, so yeah, that's all. So yes, please duduk rumah. Now it's MCO, and of course, if you duduk rumah, you just book EasyParcel. You just book courier in EasyParcel, and courier will come for free. And in EasyParcel, the delivery, I mean the register fee is free. Yeah, you heard it right. It's free because you will just need to pay once you want to make a payment. Meaning that in EasyParcel we are prepaid payment. Okay, so you don't have to pay for fee. You just need to pay for your postage. Okay, so you can scan the QR code to register for free. And if you have any question or you need a guide to use EasyParcel, then you can just reach us at any social media. We have TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, we have all. So just reach us and we will assist as much as possible, okay? And as soon as possible. So that's all from me. Thank you so much, and yeah, Selamat Hari Raya again.
Thank you very much, Mastura, and that concludes our last speaker session for today. Come back tomorrow for more insights and knowledge from our esteemed speakers. Once again, I'd like to remind everyone, don't forget to log on to Data Asia Daily and complete missions to join our lucky draw.